Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh everyone, it's Abdul Azim and let's talk about today's top story of Paytm's removal from the Google Play Store and the reply and tweets of Google and Paytm authorities. Paytm returned to the Google Play Store. This information is tweeted by Paytm itself. Paytm wrote in a very short tweet, the tweet is, "And we are back." And people are shocked by the sudden disappearance of the Paytm from the Google Play Store and its return shortly after. When Paytm has disappeared from the Google Play Store and there was an uproar and people who used Paytm were afraid that their money would run out. Paytm meanwhile stated that no one's money is going to sink, and the latest news is that Paytm is back on Google Play Store. This information has been given by Paytm itself, and as I said earlier, that it has tweeted on Twitter in a very short tweet. He said that we are back. It said that we are back, and people were afraid. And now let's see what Google has stated. Let's see what Google's statements on this issue. Google previously stated that it has removed Paytm from the Google Play Store for violating its policies on sports betting activities, but Google hasn't yet commented on its sudden return. Google said in an email response that the application has been blocked for violating its play policies, and the statement has been issued ahead of IPL 2020 on our policy. Google also said that this move would affect the app's availability on Google Play Store and not by its users. Paytm has tweeted another tweet of Paytm. Paytm has tweeted that the Paytm Android app is not temporarily available on the Google Play Store, and for new updates and downloads. The company has explained that the application will be on Play Store very soon, and all your money is safe, and you can use Paytm as usual. So that's the issue of Paytm. So that's it for today, guys. Jazakallah khair.